Have you ever been held hostage by your slide or leveling system? If so, hang around because I have a solution for you.
Welcome to another 2-Minute Tech Tip Tuesday. Brought to you by the National RV Training Academy, the largest hands-on RV training academy in America. Before we get to the video, which I know this is the reason why you're here, go ahead and hit the subscribe button. That way you don't miss anything. Hit the subscribe button now. Thank you. Now, back to our Tech Tip Tuesday.
Hello, I'm Chandler Cooper. I am the Exteriors and Hydraulic Instructor for the National RV Training Academy, and I would like to take a moment to introduce one of the products that I have developed, which is called the Retracting. The Retracting is designed specifically for the RV owner so that they can get their slides in, jacks up, and hit the road and make it to their next destination. That way, they can schedule a time for a technician to come out and actually fix the problem. As a technician, oftentimes I will get phone calls from clients and they are in a panic. They're just trying to leave. It's a very stressful situation for them and they would just like to be able to figure this out on their own or get me out there as soon as possible. And sometimes I am tied up on jobs where I can't immediately drop what I'm doing and head over their way. And if I'm the only tech in the area, they may have to wait several hours. And so they would love to have a device on board that will allow them to at least try to get their jacks up, slides in, and get moving. So right here is our Retracting. This is the Generation 2. There are 2 generations of this tool. Generation 1 is not designed to work with electric leveling systems on fifth wheels or travel trailers. However, the Gen 2 will work with your hydraulic leveling systems, Schwintek and Slim Rack, as well as electric leveling systems on fifth wheels. There's also special attachments for some of your motorhomes so that you can plug into like your power gear leveling systems, equalizer, and Lippert level up on motorhomes, and that plugs in right here. You also have local controls, so that way you can run all of those things right here at this box. Now, you also have a phone app, and so you can download a phone app and you can do mobile controls as well. Now, I do want you to know that this box right here does not work on every instance. If we have a pump failure or a total motor failure, this box is not magical. It's not going to make those things work. Okay, this is going to be for your controller failures, switch failures, or total battery loss. This is for emergency uses to get those jacks and slides up to get you down the road again. So that way a technician can actually repair the problem. One of the convenient things is the fact that we can use your standard drill battery like your 20-volt DeWalt's or your M18 Milwaukee's, Makitas, Rigids. Any of those standard batteries will plug right in here, and so you are bringing your own power source to this situation. Depending on your year, make, and model of RV, you may find your controllers are in various spots within the RV. So we're going to have to search for the controllers, and in this specific RV is a 2017 Grand Design Imagine, and we have located this slide controller underneath the rear bathroom sink. When we go locate the controller, we are going to unplug motor 1 and motor 2 from the controller and plug it directly into the Retracting where it is labeled Schwintek and Slim Rack. Let me go show you. So we have located the controller underneath this bathroom sink. Right here is the failed controller. So we're going to unplug motor 1 and motor 2 and plug them into the Retracting. And then right here, we're going to retract that slide. Whether you are a DIYer or would just like the peace of mind to know that you have a tool to get you out of certain predicaments, this is your answer. Check us out at skillabove.com, and there's your tech tip.
All right, before you get to the bloopers, which is why you're here in the first place, the RV industry needs thousands of RV technicians and inspectors, and now is the perfect time to do that. If you want to make more money or have more control over your time, go ahead and click the link below. Or if you just want to learn how to fix your own RV, got something for you there. Head over to rvtechcourse.com and get started today. Now for the reason that you're out there in the video, roll the bloopers.
Have you ever been, I need to redo that because that was not fluid. Hello, this is Chandler Cooper. I am the exteriors and hydraulic instructor for the National RV Training Academy. I am the exteriors instructor for natural gas. I don't know, was that bad? I don't think I can because I have no idea what I just said. The Rescue Tech is powered up. No, that's terrible. That you can get your slides and jacks up and in. Whether you are a DIYer or a hobbyist, no. Ever heard of the trunk monkey? Here's the Rescue Tech.